Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before all, let me introduce myself. My name is Balqis Nazilia Qurani. Here I would like to explain about noun. Noun is a word which is used to mention a person, a thing, a place, and an idea. Noun refer to physical objects and abstract concepts. For the example, physical object such as table, house, spoon, water, etc. And for the abstract concept such as time, idea, opinion, age, etc. Okay, here nouns are divided into several types. For the first is concrete and abstract nouns, and for the second is countable and uncountable noun. And for the third is common and proper nouns. And for the last is collective nouns. For the first explanation is concrete and abstract nouns. Based on the type, nouns are divided into two, such as concrete noun and abstract noun. Concrete noun is a noun that can be observed by the five senses, which is concrete or refer to an object. For the example, book, eraser, chair, moon, etc. An abstract noun is a noun that's not observed by the five senses, which is abstract, a have material concept. This noun is marked with the suffix h, is, ans, ion, nc, shen, dum, hood, eyes, ism, man, nurse, ship, it, and t. For the example, happiness, emergency, freedom, etc. Gone for the second is countable and uncountable noun. Based on whether or not to be counted, nouns are grouped into two. That's countable noun and uncountable noun and mixed noun. Okay, for the first is countable noun. Countable noun is a noun which can be counted, and the characteristic of countable noun are it can be followed by count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And it can be followed by article a and an in the singular. And it can be added to the suffix s and es in the plural. For the example, a house, one house, three houses. And for the note, singular noun are a, an, and one. And for plural noun are s and es. And also, there's a noun that have irregular forms when the noun plural and not added s or es, but it has own shape. This noun is included into list of irregular plural nouns. For the example, man, a man, two men, many men, or child, a child, two children. Okay, next, uncountable noun. Uncountable noun is noun which cannot be counted, and the characteristic of uncountable noun are it cannot be followed by count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And it cannot be followed by article a and en. There is no singular. And last, it cannot be added s and es. There is no the plural. Okay, for the note, actually, uncountable noun is allowed to be counted. Unfortunately, what will be counted is not the substance, but the quantity or container, because this noun is called a mass noun. For the example, milk, a glass of milk, 2 glasses of milk. Gone. For the next is mixed noun. Mixed noun is a noun that can be countable and uncountable, depending on the condition or connection where it will be used. For the example, I saw a hair on the floor. In this sentence, hair can be counted, which is marked by A in front, and she curled her hair. For this sentence, when the hair is not in the head, it cannot be counted because it is not customary to count. Okay, for the third is common and proper nouns. The division of nouns into common and proper nouns refers to whether a noun belongs to specific or general. Common noun. Common noun is noun which refer to things that are still common. So, the writing doesn't use capital unless it starts a sentence or title. For the example, they are studying together. So, in the first sentence, we have to use the capital. And then, proper noun. Proper noun is a hyponym of a common noun. So, the reference is more specific than a common noun. This noun can be recognized in the form of the name a thing, such as person, thing, place, etc. And generally, writing requires capital letter unless lowercase has been specified as part of the name. For the example, Surabaya on Kanata Bakery, etc. Okay, for the last is collective nouns. Collective noun is a noun which indicates the existence of a combination, such as a person, a place, or thing. For example, audience, class, public. Collective noun can be plural. For the example, a pair of sandals, or sepasang sandal, and 2 pairs of sandals, 2 pasang sandal. Okay, maybe that's all that I can explain. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.